welcome back to Just Having Fun. Today, we're gonna have a little bit more fun. So we got a special package in the mail today. I wanted to check that out and show you what we got. So I did pop the box open, but I didn't open what's inside of the box. So let's see what we have inside. GoPro Media Mod Hero 9. Okay, all right. What's this? A GoPro molded case. Okay, got some accessories. The GoPro VOLTA. Okay, this is what I was looking for. So the GoPro VOLTA. That's a new product that's out by GoPro VOLTA, which is a battery grip, tripod, and remote. So it's good for vlogging. For the vlogger that uses the GoPro, you can now not have to switch batteries. So from what I'm told, and what I saw tested in another video, is with the battery inside of your GoPro, Hero 9 or 10. I think the 8 works with it as well. And the battery that's in the tripod itself, it's equivalent to 4 batteries worth of charge. So more than enough than you would need for a full day of activity. I picked up my Hero 9. I did sign up for the subscription because I was able to get $100 off my purchase. So it made it worth it for me. It just came up for renewal, which was only $30, so that's really good too. So while I was in there checking out the VOLTA, so because I'm a subscription holder, it was only about $80 compared to the $120 price tag on it. So I was surprised to see the amount of discount I was able to get on the new item. So while I was in there shopping, I grabbed a few other items because the discounts were so good. So that subscription definitely is worth it. GoPro's paying me nothing. That's just something I learned. I'm sharing what I know with you. Okay, so let's open up a few things here. So first and foremost, here's my GoPro current carrying case. So it's the one that came with the 9. I love it. I keep my Insta360 in here with that charger, some batteries, and a few clips for the GoPro, with some accessories up here, additional batteries, SD cards, charger, etc. Right? It's getting crowded in this box. I do love this box because it fits right in my backpack. I have a camera backpack and there's a slot. It fits right in perfectly. So I'm going to continue to use this, but with this, some new accessories, I wanted to make sure that I can fit it all in one package because it's not going to fit in that one. So I went with the new hard case that they had. So let's take a look at that and what that looks like. So it's pretty substantially bigger than the one that came with the 9. So let's see here. Pull that off. Pull that off. Let's see what we got. That's it. Open her up. Wow. Yeah, that's got plenty of room. And a divider. It's got a spot here. It actually has a bag, a GoPro bag, with another insert inside the bag, with another insert inside that bag. So this is really cool. So I'm not sure. It's got a couple hooks on the back. I'm sure you can attach this to the side or the back of your backpack or any other type of equipment that you're bringing with you. So that's pretty neat. I love that, that it comes right out too. So plenty of room in this compared to what I've been using. So I'm excited to have the new space for the GoPro. So we'll be switching that out. So just wanted to share that. That was a great deal. I don't remember the exact price I got that for, but I know it was a really great deal. And then I did get the media mod. The reason being is I'm always struggling for a microphone with the GoPro. That's one of the opportunities that I had. I've looked at this before. I just never picked it up. I felt I really never had a reason for it. Right now I'm filming on the iPhone 13, and I have a microphone on there. So that helps out a little bit, and you can see some of the other cameras that I use for filming. The microphone seems to be a little bit better than just the GoPro. So I'm thinking if I'm going to use this new VOLTA, which I'm sure I'm going to, that then I would be able to put the media mod on there, solve my problem from a microphone perspective. So I'll have battery, microphone, and I will really be able to get some use out of this camera, because I feel like I'm really not. And I think these two pieces, these two accessories will really help me to go ahead and do that, to get more use out of it. All right, so let's open this up, see what we got. So first, the media mod. Pull that open. Just tearing into it, destroying the package. All right, paperwork. We don't need that. Okay, all right. We got more clips and screws. That's great. You can never have enough of those. There's for the microphone, and there's the media mod itself. That's pretty awesome. I love that. Super cool. And that just clips right on there. Perfect. This is great. So, is there anything else in here? No. Wait, is there? I feel like I saw something. No? Nothing. Nothing in the paperwork. I don't get a GoPro sticker? Guess not. Okay. Alright, so this is pretty cool. Let's see. How do I... Oh, it opens just like the GoPro. It's got a little downward button, and it opens right up. Okay, so here's my 9. It looks like I have to remove the door to get this to work. I don't know how to remove the door, so I'm going to have to watch some videos and read the instructions before I can get my 9 into the new holder. Okay, so more to come there. So we'll have to come back to this, but I'm gonna have to pull that door off. But super excited. It's got all the buttons. There's the power button, there's your photo button, there's an accessory slide here on the side. So that would be for if you wanted to add another external microphone, if you wanted to add the light accessory. I thought about it. I didn't grab the light accessory. I didn't think I would need it, but we'll see. I might. I feel I'm really excited about this, so I might just have to grab that light now. Okay, so we'll set that aside. We have that. We have our new case. We have our old case. We have our 9 here, and now what we've been waiting for, the Volta. I've seen a lot of mixed reviews on this, and I think it really depends on the person that's what they're going to use it for. Most of the folks that are reviewing this product, they're not vloggers, okay? So vloggers would use the heck out of this. This I would think would help, and I would use a lot. Right now what I use when I'm doing a lot of videos is the DJI Pocket. So I like it because it's small. I can fit it in my pocket. It takes great video. Sometimes it messes up, and there's no additional batteries I can change on this. And it's not the 2, so it doesn't have the additional battery pack to go on the bottom. So that's the reason why I thought this would be a great idea, because I do use the GoPro, and I do use a handle with it, a tripod handle with it. Sometimes the floaty handle, depending upon if I'm at the beach or not. But I figured this one, I'd have the best of both worlds. So this is really, really nice. Just pulling it out, getting a good look at it. Right into the battery, into the charging port. It's got power, Bluetooth, what mode you want it in. Oh, batteries got 3 out of 4 lights, so it's 3/4 of the way charged here. That's awesome. It is waterproof, water resistant, so your camera's waterproof, and once you get this plugged in, it's now water resistant. That's with the media mod. So we'll see. I'm not so concerned about that. I think we'll be fine. I have the subscription. I have a warranty. GoPro is really good about that stuff. Here's the door that's going to replace the door on the GoPro. So I wish I knew how to get that off. I'll be right back. All right, I think I have it figured out. That's the one thing I love about YouTube. You can do anything in this world. So I'm guessing it says you open the door, you grab it, and you pull, and voila, the door comes right off. Okay, cool. So here's the new door that's gonna go on to, and that clips right. That was very very simple, very easy. Let's see. Oh, the whole thing pulls down just like a normal door. You pull it off, so you can see there's like a little hook, and then there's like a little bar, and the hook goes over the bar, and that's it. So that's the piece. That's the new door for your battery, which now has an inlet, which makes this water resistant. I think it's waterproof. I'm not sure. It looks good. Okay, we'll plug that right in. To the Volta. Now let's see here. Let's hook it up first. So first we want this. So we want a self-facing, right? So if we're vlogging, we want the buttons facing us, right? Actually, it's on the wrong side. Does it spin? No. Oh, it does. Okay. It's a little tough, but if you grab, you can spin it so that you can rotate the camera, or the side that has the charger. Okay, so I'm just going to pull this. I want it like this. Okay, there we go. There, it's on there. Looks good. Just showed us we got some battery life in there. Oh, comes with a USB to USB-C cable. So good thing about GoPro is I have a lot of those. They come with all the GoPros. So that's cool. This is really pretty neat. So let's see here. All right. So there's the tripod. Folds right out. That's pretty cool. Fold right out. And then why would you take video like this, right? Because you wouldn't. If you were going to use it as a tripod, you'd fold it down and you'd tilt it up. So now it will film right towards whatever it is that you want to film. Very cool. I love this. That's really good. So the remainder of this is the battery. Oh, it looks like we also have an additional where we can hook the GoPro on here. I've seen where you can hook it to your backpack or use different accessories to hook it there. So that's pretty cool. We'll close that up. All right. So on the side here we have power. We have mode. We have Bluetooth. So let's see, is it connected Bluetooth? How does this work? I believe you still have to. Oh, we gotta turn it on. How about that? Updating Volta. 10, 11, 12, 13. So thanks for bearing with me here. I'm learning just as you are. So I've never played with one of these or seen one of these before. Watched a couple videos, but like I said, not a lot of great impressions. My impression so far is I'm going to use the heck out of this thing. We do a lot of traveling. I like using my GoPro a lot. I like using all the cameras. I feel like the GoPro is probably one where we're doing adventures or excursions, and the reason being is I could throw it up in the waterproof case and I could jump in the ocean with it. I know it's already waterproof, but I just makes me nervous. It's salt water, so I like to throw it in my waterproof case. So I have that option when we're traveling. Okay, the update is complete, it says. All right, Bluetooth setup. Next. Setup complete. Okay. All right, so it's now set up. So what I'd like to do is kind of just set this up. Let's see. Switch between mode. Oh, it shows me right on the front. Okay, it's photo, time lapse, video. Right from the. So I don't have to go like this to go ahead and change the mode. That's awesome. I don't have to go like this to press record. I can do everything in this hand. All right, so now we're recording. That's really, really neat. It's got widescreen showing on the front too, so that's awesome. That's pretty cool. And this is definitely something to be excited about. Press the button, we check our battery. We're still at 3. The battery is completely full. When you look at it that way, kind of looks like a little alien. So filming the filmer, I love it. So this is super cool. So I'm excited. I'm gonna do a lot more filming with the GoPro just because of this handle. I could use this setup like this. I can see right now in the camera what it looks like. I'm filming on my phone now. I can't see anything, so I have no idea what it looks like as I'm filming. Here I can. I'm excited to have the media mod on there, and I'm so excited. I'm gonna go ahead and order that light accessory too as soon as I'm done making this video, so that we're ready to go. So that's all I had. It's pretty simple. And I'm excited about it. I hope you are. I hope the video helped. And go ahead and get you a Volta from GoPro for your GoPro. And have fun and do some traveling and make some videos. Thanks for watching.
Myself. If I'm doing everything right, why is
Isn't that neat?
That is so cool,
If you're
babe.
watching this
It's so
video,
cool, babe.
you probably know that something isn't right, but you don't know what. Maybe simply can't take control.
Babe, do you love the new GoPro VOLTA?
I love it, honey.
Good. That's great. Because if I was a vlogger, this would be awesome. Oh wait, I kind of am a vlogger.